Does your AC smell a bit funky? Or maybe the airflow just isn't what it used to be. Today, we're fixing that in under 5 minutes. We are replacing the cabin air filter on this Hyundai. First step, head over to the passenger side. Empty out your glove box because we need to drop it down to get to the filter housing located right behind it. Most Hyundais use these simple twist knobs or side dampeners. Just give them a quarter turn counterclockwise. Don't force them, they should pop right out, letting the glove box hang down freely. Now you see this rectangular cover? That's the goal. There are 2 clips on the side. Pinch them together and the faceplate pops right off. Simple as that. Slide the old filter out. Now pay attention here. Look at the airflow arrow on the side of the old filter. On Hyundais, the air usually flows down. Make sure your new filter is pointing the same way. This old filter is packed with dust, pollen, and road grime. Changing this isn't just about smell. It keeps your blower motor from straining and keeps the air you breathe inside the cabin clean. Slide the fresh one in, snap the cover back until you hear that click, and then we just reverse the process. Now that the new filter is seated perfectly, it's time to seal it back up. Take that plastic faceplate and line up the tabs on the side. You want to press firmly on both ends until you hear and feel that solid click. Give it a little wiggle just to be sure. If this cover isn't snapped in tight, you'll end up with a whistling noise or air leaking out under your dashboard. Lift the glove box back up and twist those stoppers back into place. And that's it. Fresh air, better flow, and you just saved yourself a trip to the dealership. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick DIY fixes. See you in the next one.